Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video we are going to check out the Monello Vetro Superiore microfiber towel. It's a glass cleaning towel which I received from automotionwebshop.hu. However, it's not a paid advert. You are going to hear and see my honest opinion as usual. As it's a glass cleaning towel, we are going to clean glasses together with a glass cleaner. Let's roll.
Coming, hovering above your head in the sky. Tomorrow, things will be different. Wake up and know that you were so right. Step it up once more. You got it in you. Feet sit in the floor. Moving onward, a big night. The sky's the limit. Get it up, you do wanna see this. Keeping on, I know you'll win this, know you'll win this, I know you'll win this. Keep on being strong, I know you'll win this, I know you'll win this, I know you'll win this. In the blink of an
Alrighty, boys and girls, that was the Monello Vetro Superiore glass cleaning towel. For me, it's a bit too harsh, and also it doesn't absorb very well. It's I don't know, it's not telling my name. I really cannot recommend this towel. And basically that's it. That concludes the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye bye.